Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal here at the Atwater Curve. Sounds like I got a freight train at about 8:10 p.m. on the 12th of July 2025. Yeah, it's a CN freight. And then he heads around that curve and then crosses the Lachine Canal. Looks like this is a train that came out of the yard there near South Shore, Southwark Yard. So this is probably transferring freight up to Taschereau. Not evening. You notice that the cab window was open on that lead C44. A couple of gondola cars there, open tops, full of scrap metal. And these gondolas here have a covering on it because I think they probably have aluminum and they don't want that spoiled by the weather. These might actually be empty because I believe these come out of Northern Ontario and they're exporting whatever they make and they're bringing it by gone down to the port. And some 2-bay hoppers, dense material in there. Concrete powder, maybe. And now we're auto racks. Conrail. I don't think they've been a real company since like the late 90s, mid 90s. And yet the rack still shows the Conrail circle and lines. I just wish I could see the chassis system or something like that. Something really old, older than CSX. Santa Fe. What's cool is you do see Southern Pacific speed lettering. Again, Southern Pacific hasn't been around since the mid-90s. Every now and then I think you see some Southern. And that's the end of the train right there, that last auto rack. And there you can see that it curves, goes over the bridge, and then curves again. Hello. I'm just finishing up filming a train.
I started filming a train from Argenson Park.
Oh yeah?
And I hit record when I heard it coming, and there's a ball game going on. And as soon as I said, "Hey, bada bada swing, bada," the guy was swinging. I didn't even look to see if he hit it or not. Huh?